In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on this device, or how to hide it. So as you can see, currently we do have battery percentage and status bar. So if you'd like to hide it, or otherwise if it's hidden and then you would like to make it visible, just open the settings, then find and select battery, and here you will notice battery percentage icon, and all you need to do is to tap on the switcher. So once the indicator is not active, you will not be able to see the current battery level, only the graphic, and if it's active, you can see that currently we do have the very low battery, which is 4%. And this is it. This would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.